Hey, this is Jonathan Harris, and I am going to give you a relatively short introduction to HPE Storage and the strategy and what's going on at HPE this year in the storage realm. Um, for the past 5 years, HPE's mission has been to help our customers address their needs to accelerate data-driven transformation by delivering cloud experience wherever data lives and streamlining data management across clouds. In 2019, Antonio Neri, the CEO of Hewlett Packard Enterprise, made the statement that by 2022, HPE would be a consumption-driven company and that everything would be delivered to our customers as a service. This goal was obviously in response to what we've seen in the information technology market with the growth of cloud providers and hyperscalers, as well as the increased adoption of subscription and as-a-service consumption models. Since this statement was made, HPE has offered more and more solutions and services as a service to our customers and our partners, all along leading the market and defining what hybrid cloud means. In 2021, Antonio explained, quote, "For us, cloud is not a destination, it's an experience for all our apps and data, but more and more we're living in a distributed enterprise." Today, HPE has delivered on its commitment to offer all HPE solutions as a service, and in the process, changed from a server and storage hardware manufacturer to a true hybrid cloud solution provider, integrating hardware, software, services, and cloud operations. To understand the true significance of what HPE has done, we need to understand our customers' journey to the cloud. The truth is, in most cases, the applications that can be easily moved to the cloud already have. These are generally net new applications developed in agile cloud environments or applications purpose-built for cloud-native platforms. What we see today is that about 2/3 of enterprise applications remain in customer data centers on-premise, not because there's no value in running them in a cloud environment, but because they can't run in the cloud due to things like data gravity and security requirements, control regulations, compliance rules, process interdependencies, and performance needs. Responding to the realities of running applications in the cloud, we've applied HPE's as-a-service vision to our data storage product and services portfolio to become the hyperscaler for our customers on-prem in their data center, using the assets and technology they already use and are comfortable buying and operating. To achieve this, HPE offers 3 integrated capabilities. The cloud operational model, API-driven automation and management from the cloud. Flexible consumption, where consumption options can meet any organization's business needs. HPE can offer solutions leveraging options like as-a-service, subscriptions, and CapEx and OpEx payment models. And that all these solutions are supported by best-in-class storage technologies. The first integrated part of HPE, being the hyperscaler on-prem, is the cloud operational model. The cloud operational model is a strategy and set of systems that allow you to deploy and run your infrastructure from a single location and unified API toolset. It simplifies automation and orchestration of IT resources, removes and unifies the multitude of different control points throughout the environment, and it shifts the focus of people tasked with operating storage infrastructure to critical business objectives rather than the care and feeding of storage systems. It's agnostic to where the data actually resides, and it takes a holistic approach to data management, integrating visibility and tools for backup, disaster recovery, security, availability, performance, all of these things. Let's look at the purpose and benefit of the cloud operational model for storage. Today, your enterprise consists of multiple environments leveraging traditional operational models. Each piece of the environment has its unique way of being connected, monitored, and managed. Outside your traditional environment, you also have cloud workloads to manage. Whether a cloud infrastructure provider like AWS or a cloud app like Salesforce.com, the cloud is part of every enterprise. Like your traditional environments, your cloud footprint creates a diverse set of interfaces for operation and monitoring. The point is that every enterprise is a complex mix of environments requiring the use of a diverse set of control planes and management interfaces. The diversity of interfaces to manage your infrastructure leads to fragmentation, where the instant you deploy a new system, it automatically becomes a management silo. It also complicates lifecycle management, where updates and technology refreshes must be carefully planned and often cause disruption. This leads to slow release cycles and infrequent updates, putting your systems at risk for security threats and roadblocking modernization efforts. These challenges caused HPE to review our contribution to these issues and develop a solution to improve them. Because technology has gotten simpler, because technology has not gotten simpler, but has become more complex, it doesn't mean your management needs to follow the same trend. That is why HPE now leverages the cloud operational model for managing storage infrastructure. A single point of operation for all storage solutions, one interface to get a holistic view of your environment. With a cloud operational model for data storage, you separate the solution's control plane from its data plane and move management to the cloud, enabling a single and consistent operational experience. When a new system is deployed, the control plane is already available. The new hardware must only be connected to the network for discovery and configuration. HPE has created the Data Services Cloud Console, sometimes called DSCC, a cloud-native management portal for data storage solutions both on-prem and in the cloud. It runs on HPE's own GreenLake cloud platform, also called GLCP, so you don't have to buy and manage infrastructure to manage your infrastructure. Within the platform, new features and enhancements are instantly available, allowing you to take advantage of new and improved technology sooner without disrupting your business. The cloud-based management of DSCC enables you to scale your data infrastructure within the same platform, edge to cloud, across geographies. Some of the specific benefits our customers experience from the cloud operational model with DSCC include removing redundant tasks, simplifying capacity and performance planning, easier prioritization of tasks and projects, and a much more robust tool set, and ultimately the ability to move from tuning each individual piece of infrastructure to tuning solutions. Today, some of the tools you can find within the Data Services Cloud Console include things like the Data Ops Manager for installation and setup of storage systems, lifecycle management, system upgrades, even fleet management, block storage, a simplified intent-based provisioning, and storage integrated data protection, predictive analytics and troubleshooting with InfoSight, workload assessment and planning with Cloud Physics, backup and recovery service for backup and restores of VMware environments, disaster recovery service with Zerto. In the HCI Manager, you've got full stack management of HCI environments, VM deployment and operation. In the Storage Fabric Manager, you can deploy storage connectivity, manage NVMe, Fiber Channel, and iSCSI fabrics. And many, many more options are coming in the future. Data Services Cloud Console, or DSCC, leverages the cloud operational model and offers tools for managing your data. Within this platform, HPE gives you a one-stop shop for all your storage management needs, providing a better way to support your enterprise applications throughout your environment. The second integrated part of HPE becoming the hyperscaler on-prem is flexible consumption. Though many of our customers continue to consume storage and other infrastructure assets in traditional ways, like cyclical CapEx purchases, we're seeing a significant increase in customers requesting flexible and responsive models for consuming their solutions. And HPE is prepared to support all of our customers based on their specific needs. As a service models obviously fit the way public cloud hyperscalers do business. But what does it look like when you apply this consumption model to infrastructure in your data center? I'll show you how it works and explain the benefits. The purple line shows utilized storage capacity over time, sometimes up, sometimes down, based on how the workload uses the storage infrastructure. This orange line shows the traditional upfront purchasing pattern. Most customers have a long acquisition and implementation process, maybe 3 to 6 months, or could be even more, to add new capacity to a storage system. The risk of running out of capacity is too great to cut it close, so over-provisioning is very common. More than half of companies significantly over-provision storage in upfront purchases, sinking valuable budget and asset value in unused infrastructure. In an as-a-service consumption model, you're not required to over-provision or pay for capacity until you actually need it. This offers savings, shown in the green areas, by significantly reducing the upfront cost and TCO of your storage solution. That savings can then be redistributed to other IT projects or strategic objectives for your company, including potentially services to manage your storage solution. As shown by the yellow line, HPE Storage as a Service solutions are deployed with elastic capacity that you do not pay for until you use it. In the blue areas, during a traditional purchasing scenario, assets were not purchased early enough to meet the increase in capacity demand. During these times, while waiting on the procurement process, the business cannot take advantage of new opportunities or begin new initiatives. Unfortunately, this happens more than you would think and can be disruptive to business. You can avoid these costly delays and respond to your organization's needs more quickly with HPE Storage as a Service by bursting into the elastic capacity already deployed and ready for you to use. Additionally, the elastic capacity can be quickly replenished as utilization approaches capacity limits. You pay for the usage along the purple line monthly, avoiding the cost of over-provisioning, and can access the additional capacity in the buffer in minutes, not months. HPE Storage as a Service can come in many forms based on our customers' needs. The two most common are, first, HPE GreenLake 4-block storage, a self-service subscription-based block storage offering. And two, the HPE GreenLake for Storage, a customized infrastructure as a service offering with elevated management and support services. Offering both of these options as part of the HPE GreenLake for Storage portfolio allows us to offer the right service for every need. HPE GreenLake for block storage provides customers with a standardized SLA-driven ordering process and a self-service operational model. Meanwhile, HPE GreenLake for Storage meets the needs of customers who require a customized solution or a managed service. To offer full visibility of the utilization and cost, all of these offerings are monitored and administered from HPE's GreenLake Cloud platform, which also hosts the Data Services Cloud Console I talked about earlier. The cloud operational model and flexible consumption options I have talked about offer minimal value without the third integrated part of HPE becoming the hyperscaler on-prem, which is the underlying technology that will run our customers' business applications. HPE offers a wide range of products and technologies to meet whatever requirements our customers have. The breadth of HPE's storage portfolio can be overwhelming, covering multiple generations and architectures. So I've categorized products into high-level use cases. In the performance, scale, and availability use case, we've got solutions for business and mission-critical applications. We've got the HPE Alletra 9000, the next generation Primera, active-active all NVMe block storage array, the only one with 100% uptime guarantee. We've got HPE Alletra 6000, which is the next generation Nimble, hyper-efficient all NVMe block storage array with a 6 nines availability guarantee, both with native integration with Data Services Cloud Console and supported by InfoSight, HPE's AI support engine and analytics portal. For other specific use cases, we have HPE Primera SAS and NVMe array, and HPE XP8, a monolithic and bulletproof storage array. In the general purpose realm, for critical workloads spanning a variety of use cases, we've got HPE Alletra 5000 and Nimble Storage hybrid arrays. These are high efficiency and have consistent performance at an unbeatable value. We also have HPE StoreEasy, offering Microsoft file services for user files and small applications. the HPE MSA, time-tested leveraging SAS media tiers, one of the simplest block storage systems around, and the HPE Alletra 4000, which are high-density storage servers for any data-rich application that needs high throughput. In the hyperconverged infrastructure, or HCI realm, we're bundling the entire infrastructure stack for enterprise applications in a software wrapper for simplicity and ease of use. HPE has two flavors of HCI. First is the HPE Alletra or Nimble Storage DHCI, or disaggregated HCI. This removes the performance and scale limitations of mainstream HCI, converging HPE Alletra 6000 or 5000 or Nimble storage arrays with HPE ProLiant servers and HPE networking in a simplified software bundle. And the second flavor we have is HPE SimpliVity, which takes the mainstream HCI concept and gives it a twist with ultra-high storage efficiency and integrated backup and disaster recovery features. In the business resiliency and data protection realm, we often see products that are thought of last or forgotten, but they're oh so important, and these are the ones that make our bad days become better. In this area, we've got Zerto, a best-in-class multi-cloud disaster recovery software for virtual environments. Also, easy and efficient VM migration capabilities. We've got HPE StoreOnce storage appliances that leverage the HPE Catalyst API for secure and ultra-efficient storage of backups and archive data. We've got the HPE StoreEver LTO tape drives and library systems for long-term data retention, stored offline for compliance and security. And the HPE Apollo 4000 servers, the densest enterprise-grade storage server in the market. It offers a flexible way to store large data sets like backups and archives. And we've got the HPE Backup and Recovery Service. This is a software-defined VMware and hyperscaler backup solution, deployed and managed from Data Services Cloud Console with integrated cloud storage for offsite copies of your backups. For those times when HPE does not have the specific storage solution our customers need, we look to our ecosystem partners for help. HPE has selected partners in the storage marketplace that offer best-in-class software solutions that fill gaps in our own portfolio and bundle their solutions with HPE hardware. These partners are part of our Complete Partner program. There are many partners in the Complete program, and they offer fantastic solutions for a multitude of uses. In the software-defined storage area, we've got centralized file and object storage at scale with solutions like Cumulo and Cohesity, Scality, and Weka.io. For highly secured file services, we've got Racktop. For global file services for distributed environments, we've got Cetera. And for simplified HCI storage for small virtual environments and distributed environments, we've got StoreMagic. In the data protection and business continuity area, we've got backup and archive software suites from Veeam, Commvault, and Micro Focus. And we've got hyper-converged data protection, combining backup software and scale-out data storage with Cohesity and Commvault. And we've got data tiering and security with Eternity. In the big data analytics realm, we've got a software-defined unified analytics platform with Vertica. And in the data and infrastructure management realm, you can put your data where you want it, where you can see it, and secure it with solutions like ArcSAN and Eternity, Comprise, and Commvault. All of these products have been matched up with the HPE servers that will run them best and offer to our customers as a bundle to HPE solution, a one-stop shopping for all HPE, a one-stop shop for the entire solution on HPE paper, software and hardware. In this chart, you can see what HPE servers are bundled with each of our Complete partners. Some of these solutions are fixed hardware configurations, while others allow customized configurations. Keep in mind that all of these solutions can be offered through flexible consumption models like HPE GreenLake for storage. This is a unique offering in the market that only HPE offers. Returning back to where I began, it's HPE's goal to become the hyperscaler on-prem for our customers in their data center, using the assets they already purchase and are comfortable buying and operating. To achieve this goal, HPE offers 3 integrated offerings: the Cloud Operational Model, API-driven automation and management from the cloud; flexible consumption, with options that will fit any organization's business needs, including as-a-service, subscriptions, as well as CapEx and OpEx payments. And all these solutions are supported by our best-in-class storage technologies. Thank you so much for your time.